So for this week's video, we're going to try something completely different and make a holiday snow globe using green screen in iMovie. To get started, I've bought a snow globe from a photo shop, one of those ones that you can cut out a photo and stick inside of it. I've then taken the template out and I've cut out some different coloured cards to put in there. I've gone for other colours as well as green, because I'm thinking if I film this in front of a Christmas tree, I'm going to want a different colour to use the green screen effect on. At this point, don't be put off if you can't get your hands on your own snow globe. I've used the one I'm showing here and I've filmed a few different scenes using that snow globe, and I've put them online for you to use for free. You can find a link for that in the description below. If you tap onto one of these videos, and then you can download it in HD or 4K to save it to the Files app. When it's in the Files app, you need to press the share button, and you're then going to share it to your Photos album as shown on screen. We're now going to jump into iMovie, and in iMovie we're going to insert our background footage first. This is the video that will appear to be inside the snow globe. I've gone for a stock image here of a reindeer, and I'm then going to add more footage, but this time it'll be the green screen snow globe. So when you find that clip, you're going to press the three dots, and you're going to choose green/blue screen. It's really important to make sure you scrub back to the beginning of your timeline before you insert the snow globe, otherwise it won't overlay all of the footage you've put in already. You're now going to want to tell iMovie which colour to make transparent. So tap on the clip you've added with the snow globe, and in the preview in the top left corner you can then tap on the blue or the green or whatever colour you've got inside your snow globe, and it'll make that transparent straight away. You should now see a festive green screen snow globe made using iMovie with your own video inside the snow globe. Merry Christmas!